This is every sale, every product, and every low stock warning for a small shop, tracked for free in a browser tab. Here's how to set it up in 6 steps. Step 1. Add a product. Open Inventory, hit Add Product, and fill in the basics: name, SKU, price, and how many you've got on hand. Starlog also tracks what you paid for it, so it can work out your margin later, not just your sale price. Hit Save, and it's already in your catalog, color-coded, so anything running low stands out at a glance before you even look for it. Step 2. Ring up a sale. If you've got a barcode scanner, it just works here. No special hardware setup. Click the field and scan. Otherwise, pick the product from the list, set the quantity, and apply a discount if you're running one. Tax gets calculated automatically off your settings. One click to finalize, and your stock count updates instantly. No separate step to remember. Step 3. Check the dashboard. This is the whole business at a glance. Total sales, items sold, how big your catalog is, and anything close to running out. The 7-day chart shows which days are actually moving product, and this panel flags your lowest stock items, so you're never caught off guard. Click straight through to restock from here. You don't have to go hunting for the item. Step 4. Your paper trail. Every sale lands in sales history with a one-click receipt. Copy it, email it, or void the transaction if something needs to be reversed, and your stock count gets restored automatically. Switch over to the activity log, and you get a full audit trail. Every edit to every product, old value next to new value, so you always know what changed and when. Step 5, and this is the one most inventory apps skip: bundles. Selling a gift set, a combo, a multi-pack. Check this is a bundle. Add each component with its own price and stock, and Starlog tracks them individually. So selling one bundle correctly draws down every ingredient inside it, not just a single SKU. It's built for shops that sell the same item 3 different ways. Step 6. Back it up. Even without an account, you can export your entire catalog and sales history to a JSON file anytime, and re-import it later. Your data never lives only in one browser tab. If you want it synced live across your phone and this web app, that's what the Pro tier's for. $5 a month, real-time sync with the mobile apps, no ads. Free tier works fully offline first. Pro just keeps every device in step. That's a full month of inventory and sales tracking, set up in about 5 minutes. For free. Starlog's a free web app right now. Links in the description. Try it with your own shop and let me know what you'd want it to track next.